How to fix Xfinity XFi pod not working or connecting. So there are a few things you can try to potentially help you with this. So first, you can check your pod placement. So you can ensure the pod is within range of your main gateway. Let's say you're using with a router over here, make sure it's somewhat closer at first. And if you can notice a network connection that's getting better if you place it closer, then it's probably just because of that. So with that in mind, you can avoid placing it behind furniture, walls, or metal objects. So keep it off the floor as well, and ideally at mid-level in the room. You can also try restarting the pod and gateway, so put the router on the pod as well. So you can reset or power cycle the pod. You can unplug it for 10 seconds and plug it back in. And for your router or your gateway, you can unplug your modem for 30 seconds and reconnect. So allow a few minutes for the pod to reconnect and stabilize as well. You can also check the XFi app status as well. So if you have the app, of course you probably do have it. You can go to devices and go to the pods and check if the pod shows as online. If online, you can tap restart pod or forget pod and just re-add it. So to re-add it, just do whatever you did on the first place to pretty much do every connection of the pod. You can also go ahead and check for interference or Wi-Fi issues. You can keep the pod away from cordless phones or other wireless devices. So ensure your gateway Wi-Fi is stable and broadcasting on the proper bands. Also, you can make sure your gateway and pod firmware are up to date. Updates usually happen automatically though, but you can check the XFi app for updates. You also have the option to just put in a wire, since if you take a look under the pod itself, there should be a LAN connector to it. So you can go ahead and get yourself a wire to just directly connect your pod over here to the router directly. Now, if you do this, and if the wire is, of course, not broken or anything, then the connection should be very stable since it is a direct connection. If none of these work, you can go ahead and try contacting Xfinity support. So if the pod still won't connect after all the steps, it may be somewhat defective. You can go ahead and tell them these steps or the options you've already tried to fix the problem. But once you contact Xfinity support or use the XFi app chat for replacement or advanced troubleshooting. But there's a few things you can try to potentially fix your XFi pod not working or connecting. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.